Do you know what the #1 traffic source was, is, and will remain to be? It is Google traffic, of course, also known as search traffic. And if you've got a product or a video to promote or a page to drive traffic to, I'm going to show you how to get to the first page of Google for hard keywords without knowing SEO and siphon millions of visitors for absolutely no cost whatsoever. And when I say visitors, I'm talking about buyer traffic, traffic that searches for your very solution on both Google and YouTube. And yes, this also works for harder keywords. What's the point of wasting energy on super low traffic keywords that anyone can rank for? And yes, even if you don't know anything about SEO, this will work for you. Why? Because I don't know anything about SEO, and I'm still ranking like crazy and outranking the results of every single rankings tool out there. If you're skeptical, I don't blame you. I bet you are. And without the software that I'm about to show you, I'd be quite skeptical too. Take a look at what we and our students have been able to achieve without any SEO knowledge, patience, or work. This is just the tip of the iceberg. 3 things to keep in mind for what I'm about to share. First, as ridiculous as it may sound, it doesn't require more than 5 minutes of work. Second, it's not risky, shady, or unreliable. In fact, you can activate it and let it run forever. And third, you absolutely don't need to have any SEO knowledge whatsoever with this. But if you do, our system will give you an unfair advantage. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how 3 guys went from not knowing anything about SEO to getting ranked on top of Google like it's nobody's business. At first, the only thing they knew about SEO is that if you rank high on Google and YouTube, you will get millions of visitors for free. That's it. Now, visitors that actually search for your product or niche and they crave your solution. That's the kind of visitors we're talking about here. So they started buying courses, learning methods, buying software, trying loopholes. None of these things worked, and they spent hundreds of hours just testing and learning. But then they learned that there is something that works really well for SEO, and it's something that's been working for years upon years. And that's old school, high quality, manual backlink building. In fact, it works so well that if you do it right, do it consistently, and keep a continuous flow of new high quality backlinks to your site, you practically guarantee high rankings fast and for many, many months. But here's the problem. It's hard, and it's slow, and it's boring. It's time consuming, or it gets extremely expensive if you hire a bunch of people to do it for you. I mean, you can imagine yourself sitting there posting content online and building thousands of backlinks manually, buying proxies to mask your IP, creating backlink strategies, and solving CAPTCHAs all along the line. The horror of that is unbelievable. This is when one of those 3 guys, Alex, had a crazy idea about a year ago. He said, hey, why not spend tens of thousands of dollars and countless hours to develop a piece of software that will automate the entire process and just rank? And that's exactly how RankSnap came to life. RankSnap is an artificial intelligence ranking software that builds thousands of high-quality backlinks as if a human does it for you. It's fast and it's done on autopilot and ranks for harder keywords by giving Google exactly what they want, feeding them with everything they love, and in exchange, you get rankings. Not only that, our team behind RankSnap continuously searches the internet for new high-quality backlink opportunities and adds them to the system on a regular basis. And unlike other SEO and backlink solutions, you don't need to purchase any proxies or CAPTCHA selling services because we have it built in. We also use a cutting-edge technology called Shortcuts, which gets you 5 times more backlinks without additional posting, getting you more traffic and helping you rank for harder keywords, which actually get searches. So you get all the benefits such as long-term traffic, high rankings on Google and YouTube, plus fast and free buyer traffic, but without the work, without the time, and without the money spent. And not only do you get these benefits, but RankSnap comes with something essential: a commercial license. That allows you to sell backlinks and easy rankings to clients. And you can make a fortune in the process, because if you think you need these rankings, imagine what a local business would spend to promote their business. And we did the work for you and for your clients. All you need to do right now is enjoy the mammoth amounts of free traffic that rankings will get you. And in the last year, we've been testing it hard with users and, of course, our own businesses. And we've ranked practically anything we wanted. Do not expect to get top rankings for major keywords like weight loss by activating this software. However, RankSnap will give you a substantial advantage. The harder competition keywords get ranked so easily for us, it's not even funny. Just imagine yourself being in front of your customers, millions of them every day, and your offers, landing pages, blogs, or whatever it is that you want to promote, just ranking there for a long time. Imagine the influx of visitors you'll get, the instant sales and leads. It's crazy. And it can happen for you. It's not just reserved for the gurus. Most people today focus on loopholes and the newest abracadabra methods. This is your chance to cash in on something real and automated. Let me show you how it works. RankSnap will automatically do everything a human SEO professional will do for you, only far cheaper, faster, and on autopilot. It will create accounts, it'll read confirmation emails, it'll click confirmation links, then it'll post content on a consistent basis. It will solve capture for you. It will create IPs and proxies for you. It will even rank for multiple keywords with the same piece of content using our special shortcut technology, which increases backlink effectiveness by 500%. Now, all the technical stuff is done in the background. You'll simply need to follow 5 steps that the software will instruct you to, and you're good to go. For real, that's all you need to do. Now, the software comes with the most reliable cloud link building software, which means it doesn't matter if you have a PC, a Mac, or any other operating system in the world. It's going to work for you as long as you have access to the internet. When you get this, you will, of course, also be eligible for all the software support and continuing updates, as well as special ranking training and resources that we use. Honestly, this is all ready for you, but you'll be the judge once you get in. Now, here's the deal. I don't want you to go through the learning curve that we went through. I don't want you to struggle, suffer, or fail. I want to hand everything you need for fast money on a silver platter to you. And I want you to send me a screenshot or a video testimonial with your results. These things are really worth all our hard work. And because of that, I'm offering you RankSnap for a ridiculous, and when I say ridiculous, I mean borderline crazy, low one-time price. Scroll down, click the big button that you'll see inside, and feel free to email us at the email given at the bottom of the page for support or if you have any questions. Now, if you're skeptical regarding your investment with us, you should know that you're covered by our 100% money-back guarantee, which basically means you can try it completely risk-free. Now, imagine that in 30 days, you are already out of your job, working from home, and growing your business every day while having full control over your income with SEO without even knowing SEO. Now, that feels good, doesn't it? Well, RankSnap is the fastest way to achieve just that. Besides proof, a step-by-step walkthrough, and a bulletproof guarantee are just a fraction of how far we will go to help you. I understand it's scary to invest, especially with all these scams in every corner. And we want to keep our brand legit, whiter than cream, and just plain awesome. Therefore, if you are not satisfied, you won't walk away empty-handed, never. It's been a pleasure talking to you, and we'll see you on the other side.
Hi, Alex here. Let me show you RankSnap in action. We have spent huge amount of time, effort and money to make RankSnap very easy to use. We remove all hassle related to classic SEO task doing so that you can start from scratch and see incredible results without any experience, and achieve high page ranking in search engines following simple steps. Unlike other backlinks building software, RankSnap initially setup is very easy. Simply log into your RankSnap and you do not need to do any kind of initial setup at all. You do not need to buy captcha services, you do not need to buy proxies, you even don't need manually create accounts on Web 2.0 sites you are going to get backlinks to your sites from. Point is, we did all work for you and you just use software and get traffic. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you need to create project. Project could be your or your client site name or anything else that help you to grow your SEO campaigns. Click Create New Project and give it name. Now you are ready to set up your first campaign. Go to Campaigns in menu, choose your project and hit Create New button. Enter campaign name, enter money site URL. It is URL of the site or page you are going to rank. You may enter a few URLs, adding them one per line. Enter keywords you like to rank, one per line. And now you have just add article which will be posted with backlinks to your site. You can use your own unique article or spinnable article if you wish. I add article title and I add article body. Using span article will ensure that every post will be unique. And now you need just to select keywords in article and mark them as campaign backlinks. Let me show you how to do that. I find my keywords in article, select them and hit this button, campaign link. That's all what is needed to do. And I find another and make it campaign link also. You can hit preview button to see how your article will look like. As you see, we have links created here, 2 links per article. If I click refresh, my article is always unique. RankSnap will automatically create different kind of content based on your article that can be submitted to different Web 2.0 sites like blogs, bookmarking sites, and status update sites. Next option you have to choose is if you like to create new accounts or use existing accounts from your previous campaigns. In case of reuse accounts, you may choose what accounts you like to submit content to. I will use create new accounts option in this example. And now I select campaign start date. It is date when campaign will start and for how many days I like to drip the campaign. Now I hit next. And it is the last step where I choose my backlinks building strategy. You may select one of existing well-tested template or create your own strategy. Simply doing drag and drop like I'm doing now. You may click any of note of your strategy to see and edit sites list which are included to the campaign. And it is all set up of your campaign. RankSnap will automatically create accounts for this campaign and build multi-tier backlinks for your site. First level of backlinks will have link to your site you specified as money site URL. Second tier backlinks will have link to your first tier. Third tier will have link to your second tier backlinks. This is very effective method to achieve high page ranking in search engines. Not just hit complete button and leave RankSnap to build backlinks for you. At this point you will start ranking and slowly for harder keywords as well. And you will experience that intoxicating feeling of hitting page number 1 and suddenly seeing really targeted traffic like never before. And now I will show you a couple of rankings our beta testers got. We have been testing RankSnap for different kind of keywords for different kind of niche and for keywords with different level of competition. For example, our beta tester Eric reported his ranking for acupuncture builder keyword. He got position number 2 on the page number of Google for very competitive keyword with more than 1 million results. Second keyword reported by Lane. He got ranking for how to do beauty marks from keyword, and he got position number 4 for this keyword. Next result is reported by Mike, and he got birthday party crafts keyword, and he told us that it was not really easy. As you see, the competition is crazy huge here, but he was able to get this result in 3 months for his client. Next result for keyword electric heating pad for neck and shoulders is number 8 on first page of Google. One more keyword and also position 9 on first page of Google. First position for best nail shape for fat fingers keyword. As you see, it is fresh article posted this year and it was not ranking, and using RankSnap this article got page number 1. One more keyword, also position number 1, for keyword with medium competition but very profitable keyword. Also, we tried to get ranking for some international sites. For this is event cleaning service for Toronto keyword, and we already are on the position number 4. Next keyword is pure for spinal stenosis, reported by Jenny. She got already page number 1. And the last result I like to show you is full from MPK freezer keyword, and this is also high competitor keyword, and we got page number 1, 8 position on page number 1. Okay, that's all I'd like to show you, and we actually got much more results and getting more and more feedback from our beta testers.